Let me in! It's the end of the road for me, but I've still got a lot of places to ride, so come along and we're gonna have a great time. Welcome back to another episode of Dirt Cop Dual Sport. If you're new here, I'm the Dirt Cop. I ride my motorcycle. It's a TW200 all over the mountains of North Idaho. I explore mines, new places. This season, I'm going to be going to a bunch of old lookout tower sites. But back in the day, there was a lookout tower on just about every mountain around here. Right now, I'm just riding around town, exploring the different trails I can get to that are close by. And there's a surprising amount around here. So where we're at right now is an old lumber yard, and behind me is the teepee burner, and that's what we just rode through. And then what they do is they take the scraps from all the lumber and the sawdust and the chips and everything, and they put it in there, and it would burn incredibly hot, so it would produce like very little smoke, and then everything would be reduced just to ash and no like chunks left over. Well, hopefully. I've never actually seen one at work, but I understand the theory behind it. But there are a couple more teepee burners around here hidden in the trees. These days, this lot's owned by a mining company, and they have various plans for it that keep falling through. But all right, let's keep going. But anyways, my brother said if I follow this, it gets up next to the freeway, and then it goes down into town, and there's a tunnel you can take to get back into town. Now, I already visited that tunnel today, and it was flooding, so I can't get through the tunnel to get to town, but I'm gonna see if there's actually a road there that I can ride back to town in. But it's cool out, it's a beautiful day. I'm glad I'm out here. I'm glad you're with me, and let's go. My brother was right. There's a road right here that goes back down there. We're gonna take a look and let's see. I think I made it. Let's go take a look. Alright, in my last video I actually rode up to this one, seeing where I could go, and it's still flowing. Okay, I'm not gonna ride this today. I suppose if it was really hard up for something to do, I could ride down that, hop down here, come this way, ride up. Now that was a really cool thing to know. All right, I think it's time to get home. Here's the second one, the hidden one. I think there's another in here somewhere too, but we'll ride around and we'll try to find it. And there doesn't seem to be any sort of way to get into this one. Not that I'm willing to try. Oh, we can go take a look. I'm not gonna ride my bike in there, but oh yeah, there is an opening on the other side. Oh, it's full of garbage though. That's nasty. I'm gonna go in there. I don't know why it'd be full of garbage, but that's where we're at. I think that's about it for today's ride. I did not find the third teepee burner, but it could be out here. It could not even exist. I have no idea, to be honest. I did find this pretty cool old busted up motorhome. Just kind of scary. I keep hearing noises off in the woods, so maybe I'll just get out of here. All right, take it easy. Thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Please like this video. Please let me know if you have any cool urban exploration plans this summer, this spring, what you're doing. If you have any cool buildings you like to go explore, I'd love to hear about it. Anyways, take it easy. Thanks for watching.